Welcome home. This is a fantastic new construction property that is available now. It is 9041 East Gospel Island Road, and this is an area that has access to the Tsala Apopka chain of lakes, which is a very appealing lake system in our area for lots of fishing and wonderful water activities. So I'm going to walk you around this house, let you take a look at everything. Again, it's brand new construction, just built this year. So of course it comes with all the nice energy efficiency upgrades like the double pane tilt windows. Look at this gorgeous granite. You've got the bar area for extra seating in the kitchen. Beautiful white shaker style cabinets, a full appliance package. We've got the soft close doors and drawers. Nice pantry area, very deep cabinets here for lots of storage, and a beautiful dining area in addition to a open living. So this is a very open concept design with the vaulted ceilings, very open and airy. Laundry room right there, and then this is the main bedroom suite. So we have sliders going out back. There's lots of space. You'll notice when we get outside there's a ton of privacy. The owner behind this house has 10 acres, and the house is built way over to the far end of that parcel. So there's just a lot of wooded privacy to keep you feeling secluded over here. And this is tons of nature in this area. So again, it's water lifestyle. You hear birds chirping all the time. It's just a really great place to enjoy Florida and all of the nature and wonderful things that we have here. So this is the guest end of the house. We've got 2 bedrooms here. Everything is very tastefully done with neutral color palettes and nice finishes that are going to stand the test of time. Tile goes all the way up to the ceiling. You've got your tub shower combo here. We have a linen closet behind the door here. Good size, nice and deep. And of course the frosted glass here in the bathroom. But this guest bathroom has 2 sinks as well, so that's a nice extra feature. Another linen closet outside of the bathroom, actually 2. One on either end, so extra storage. And this is the 3rd bedroom with a window to the backyard. Again, it's almost 1,600 square feet of living area. We do have the 2-car garage as well. We're gonna go out there next. And this actually serves nicely as a utility or coat closet. Attic access, so you've got some attic storage on both ends of the house. We'll go through the laundry room to the garage. So very good setup where when you park in the garage, you're bringing your groceries in, you're just gonna pop right into the kitchen and put everything away. Good sized 2-car garage, a little extra space on either side, which means you can fit 2 cars in here comfortably. And the air handler is elevated, so that gives you more room here in the garage. A sprinkler system was just installed on this house, so you will be able to keep your landscaping very pretty year-round without much hassle. Go through these sliders to the backyard and look at this nice covered porch. So great area to put a table, put some lounge chairs, just be able to enjoy, especially this time of year. The weather is so beautiful, and you'll get full enjoyment. And you can see back here how private this is. Very, very, very secluded and wooded. And then when we walk back to the front, hopefully you're noticing we have lake views from the front of the house. Beautiful the way the water sparkles. And you can park your boat here on this property and then just take it to one of the public boat ramps, stick your boat in the water, and enjoy the chain of lakes. So that's a gorgeous view right there. Really, really pretty setup. We've got the extra bump out here on the driveway. And there you have it, brand new construction. It's ready for you to move right in. If you'd like more information on this property, please give me a call. I'm Ruth Squires with eXp Realty, RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. We believe everyone deserves a luxury experience. Give us a call for more information, 352-794-1426. And as always, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, stay tuned for more great properties as we bring them to the market.